Hey guys, this is Tim and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. Today's guitar lesson, I want to teach you a simple chord progression or chord riff derived from C major. The chords I'll be using are C major, Cadd2, Cadd4, and C-Major7. So very easy chords to learn with very little finger movement. But very, very beautiful chord progression. So let's get started. Okay, this is the sound of this simple little chord progression I'd like to show you that's derived from C major. You're just simply moving your first finger and your small finger and keeping these fingers number 2 and 3 planted on these two strings. So I think everyone knows C major, but we'll do a quick review of the chords. To play C major, you place finger number 1 on string number 2 of the 1st fret, skip a string, place finger number 2 on the 4th string of the 2nd fret, then stretch your 3rd finger to this 5th string of the 3rd fret, strum all strings with this top E. Okay, this will be C major. Okay, and then to play C major 7, you just simply lift off of your 1st finger off of that string number 2. Very beautiful chord. You probably heard that played in various songs. So that's C major, and then lift off your 1st finger and play that B string open. That'll be C major 7. Okay? Now to play C major add 2, you just simply place your little finger on this 2nd string of the 3rd fret. Okay? Your 4th finger on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret, the B string there. Okay? And then you'll play that. So you kind of hear that sustain there. It has a little tension and then it resolves when you lift off your little finger. So you can combine what we've just learned. So going from Cadd2 to C major, then C major 7. Just going back and forth. Very beautiful. And I'm just kind of strumming 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But I'm hesitating on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm just strumming 8th notes to play these chords. Of course, you can strum any kind of strumming pattern for this. So Cadd2, C major, C major 7, back to C. Okay. Then the last chord I wanted to show you is a Cadd4. Cadd4. You got your C major chord. The only difference now, you place your finger, sit on the 2nd string, you count up 4 strings, and place your little finger on string number 4 of the 3rd fret. Okay? And that's playing the F note there. Okay? That's on the D string there. Again, strum all strings but the top. You can kind of hear a little bit of tension there, a little bit of a different kind of stain. So if we start from the beginning, so this is just a simple way to use chords derived from C major, C major, C major 7, Cadd2, and Cadd4, and you could use these in different orders, chord progression, to come up with a different sound, and perhaps using a song that you may be interested in writing or using as well. If you like this video and like to see more videos like this, be sure and hit the like button. I'd appreciate that very much, and any comments that you would have to share as well. If you're not a current subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. It's free. There's no obligation. Just simply bookmarks my channel and your subscriptions, so I can easily be found, and you'll also be notified when new videos have been uploaded. I'd like to thank all my current subscribers as well. Appreciate everyone viewing today. Have a great day. God bless you.